Okay, so now I'll be starting off with Dogman. A great first book of a series, but not the best book in the series. So I would have to give it a 7 out of 10. It's still a great book. Okay, the next book, Dogman Unleashed. Very great book. Flippy, great villain, and it was very enjoyable. But I'll still have to give it a 7 out of 10, like the first one, because it wasn't the best. But it's still amazing. Dogman, A Tale of Two Kittens. Amazing book that sets up little Petey and Petey. Flippy, a great villain. So that's why I have to give it a 9 out of 10. Very amazing. Dogman and Cat Kid. I'll give it, I think this one's a really good one, but it's not like the other ones, not the best. Not like A Tale of Two Kittens, how that was the best. So I'll have to give it an 8 out of 10. Still amazing, though. Lord of the Fleas. A great 5th book. It's really amazing. Love how the Fleas were a big villain and a little bit of the past of Petey. And so I'll give it a 10 out of 10. One of my favorites. Okay, let's jump into Brawl of the Wild. A very great book. Not gonna lie. It's good, but not better than the 5th one. So I will have to give it a 6 out of 10. From Whom the Ball Rolls. Great 7th book. It handles it amazingly. The callback from the villain in this book from the first book was crazy. But I'll have to give it an 8 out of 10. One of the best books. Fetch 22. Very, very great also. Really liked it. I really enjoyed it, but it's not a 10 out of 10. So I will have to give it an 8 out of 10 with Whom the Ball Rolls. Okay, Grime and Punishment. Good, but not amazing like From Whom the Ball Rolls and Fetch 22. But it's still an amazing book with Grandpa being the villain and all that. So I will have to give it a 7 out of 10. It's very great though. Wuthering Heights. Very great. Petey's backstory and all that, loved it. I mean, and Chief asking out Nurse Lady, great. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Loved it. 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. Okay. This one I didn't really enjoy because it was sidelining Dogman a lot, and it just wasn't the best. 7 out of 10. But I did like Chief and Nurse Lady. Scarlet Cheddar. Amazing. Loved it. Dogman was the main focus. Really, really good. They get becoming superhero stuff and all that. 10 out of 10. Really, really loved it. And Big Doom Begins. I didn't like it, honestly, because they just sidelined Dogman a lot. It wasn't really the best at all. So I'll have to give it a 5 out of 10. Bye, y'all.